Fruit hunting. Going to look for my grapefruit here at Home Depot. Because I really wanted grapefruit plant. My husband found my grapefruit. No, I like this one.
Maganda yung tubo nito.
No, not like that. Maybe, we'll see.
Kasi tignan mo yung ugat niya, papakita.
The ugat is fine. As long as maganda yung stand niya.
Ito ang dami ng niya, shoots.
Yeah, but that's true din. I guess, but then look at this, it's not healthy. You see?
Naputol kasi.
See, they don't really take care of their plant.
Maganda to,
The plant they sell. Oh yeah, that one's good. I think we'll do that one. I'll just cut the small ones, the small parts. Okay, we'll take that one. Ooh, found my grapefruit. Happy. Okay, $36 or $37. I want this one too. It's a clementine. Mandarin clementine. Oh, I want more. I guess I downgraded to one because we're just gonna get another pot and then we're gonna look for a plum in Star Nursery. They have it here at Home Depot, $55, but it's not gonna fit in our car. So yun na yun. Because it's tall. The pot that we want, it's too high up. All the way down. Right there. This kind of pot, this size, that's the price. $12.98. And they have other colors too, like these ones. The one we want is $20. And this is also $12.98, the small one. This is good for lettuce also. You just want some lettuce, pet chive, mustasa. This is okay.